Hi, this is a video for how to do your peer review. So once you are in the assignment, this is where we have quite a bit going on, stay with it. But once you've updated your website and done all the things that it asks you to do for your website specifically, all the requirements are on here, then you submit your URL. Pretend I haven't done it before, and it should just say regular submit. If it doesn't autofill, watch the video on how to submit correctly to make sure that you submit your URL the way that you're supposed to. Okay, now because I'm not an actual student in the class, unfortunately it is not going to show the exact same things for you as it will for me, meaning that it's not going to actually assign me a peer to review because I'm not in the class and so it can't assign me someone. But this is where you will find your peer review. Once you've submitted, then you just have to wait for the deadline to pass, which is tonight at 11:59 p.m. or whatever night you had this class. And so you submit, and then the next day, so you've got Thursday, you can definitely do this on Friday, our online learning day. But over here, it will have the person that you are assigned to review. So you'll click on that person's link, and it'll take you to where you can see their website. And then everything that you need to be looking for them is right here. This shouldn't take you more than 15 minutes. If it's taking you longer than 15 minutes, something's probably going wrong. So tell me and I can help you figure it out. But all you're gonna do is you'll copy each of these sections into a comment. So again, because I can't peer review, it's not showing it, but there will be a box that says, once you click on their thing, like how you can comment on their website, and you'll just paste what it is I copied from down there into the comment section. And then as you can see, you give them a score out of 10. So progress and documentation, they get 5 points for their write-up. Do they have 5 to 7 sentences? Are they answering the question? How are they making a positive difference? And then their documentation, do they have a picture? They get points for that, but they must be in the picture to receive full credit. So if they're not recognizably in it, you can't tell it's them, or if it's just a picture of the outdoors or whatever, then you would mark them down accordingly and then give them a comment. So there's a colon after each one of these so that you can comment on anything that they need to fix. If they did well, you can give them a 10 out of 10 and tell them like, that's a great write-up and you're doing what we were required to do. And then you can submit your peer review that way. I'm also going to include some videos from the Canvas people themselves because they can show you a bit more than I can with this just like test view. So take a look at those. If you're confused, join me during office hours on Friday if you need extra help. Office hours are from 9 to 11 a.m. I'll be there to help you if you need help. Thank you.